Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to fix Linkvertise stuck on loading. So guys, this is problem. So go to your Linkvertise. As you can see here is stuck on loading. Go to guys your app store or play store on your device and use this VPN called Tunnel Bear, and just download this VPN guys and install them. And after that guys, use any country and you will problem solved. This guys how you can do, just easy step. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content. Any question guys down below in the commenter, and I will happy to answer your question. See you another video guys. Keep watching this video.